Innovation is no longer measured by how many patents a company files. It is measured by how fundamentally a company reshapes the way the world works. Which organizations are doing that most aggressively right now? We rank the 5 most innovative companies on Earth, evaluated on technical breakthroughs, product transformation, market disruption, and the scale of their ambition. Tesla comes in at number 5 and has done more to transform a single industry than almost any company in history. By making electric vehicles desirable instead of dutiful, Tesla single-handedly forced every major automaker to abandon a century of combustion engineering. The autopilot and full self-driving systems have accumulated over 3 billion real-world miles of training data, making them the most comprehensive autonomous driving datasets on Earth. But Tesla's next chapter is not cars. It is the Optimus humanoid robot now entering small-scale production, and the Megapack stationary energy storage grid that is already replacing gas peaker plants across California. Tesla is no longer just a car company. Apple holds 4th place as the company that consistently takes emerging technology categories and defines the standard every competitor chases. The M4 chip family, built on TSMC's 3nm process, delivers desktop workstation performance in a laptop that runs for 20 hours on battery. Apple Intelligence, their on-device AI system, processes sensitive personal data without sending it to any server, a privacy-first approach that has reshaped how the industry thinks about consumer. AI Vision Pro, despite its high entry price, has established spatial computing as a real product category rather than a concept. Apple's innovation record is not about being first, it is about being the best version of what comes next. Google DeepMind takes 3rd place as the company running the most ambitious research-to-product pipeline in Silicon Valley. AlphaFold mapped the 3-dimensional structure of over 200 million proteins, solving a 50-year problem in structural biology and unlocking drug discovery at a pace the pharmaceutical industry never imagined possible. Waymo now completes over 100,000 fully autonomous rides per week across multiple U.S. cities without a human safety driver, the world's most mature commercial robotaxi operation. Gemini 2.0 Ultra processes 1 million tokens in a single context window and handles code, images, audio, and video simultaneously. And Google's custom TPU chips give them an AI training advantage that no cloud competitor has matched. Nvidia holds 2nd place as the company that, without deliberate plan, became the indispensable infrastructure of the entire artificial intelligence revolution. Their GPU architecture, originally designed for video games, turned out to be perfectly suited for the matrix multiplications that power deep learning, and no competitor has matched their head start. The CUDA software ecosystem took 17 years to build and now has over 4 million developers writing code that only runs on Nvidia hardware. The Blackwell architecture, launched in 2024, delivers 4 times the AI training performance of the previous generation at the same power envelope. Nvidia does not just sell chips, they sell the platform that every major AI model in the world depends on. OpenAI is the most innovative company in the world right now, and the argument is straightforward. No technology in human history reached 100 million users faster than ChatGPT, doing so in just 2 months. What followed was a complete reimagining of how humans interact with software. GPT-5 now holds the highest scores ever recorded on every major AI benchmark, medical licensing exams, legal bar exams, coding competitions, and scientific reasoning tests. 1 billion monthly active users interact with ChatGPT across text, voice, image, and video. OpenAI's API powers thousands of startups building on top of the most capable AI system ever made. Their research into AGI, artificial general intelligence, is not a speculative project. It is an operational timeline. No company on Earth is moving faster or with higher stakes. From Tesla reinventing transport to OpenAI reinventing intelligence itself, these 5 companies are not just building products. They are rewriting what the next decade looks like. Which company do you think will have the biggest impact on your life in the next 5 years? Drop your pick in the comments and subscribe for more rankings.